Long before watches became luxury objects, they were tools, built for divers, military personnel, explorers, and people who depended on them. And in 1958, Tudor released a watch that would become one of the foundations of its identity, the Tudor Submariner reference 7924, known today as the Big Crown. Tudor itself began with the Rolex founder Hans Wenzeldorf. His goal was simple: to create watches with the reliability and philosophy of Rolex at a much more accessible price. Even the early Tudor watches shared cases, crowns, and construction methods with Rolex while building an identity entirely on their own. And over time, that identity became deeply tied to professional tool watches, and they're still being commissioned today. We got to see a good look at one during the White House Correspondents' Dinner. A custom Tudor Pelagos commissioned for the United States Secret Service Counter-Assault Team, better known as Hawkeye. The watch features a custom dial and insignia created specifically for that unit. Not for collectors, not for marketing, but for the people that actually wear them. By 2010, most dive watches had become oversized. They were thicker, heavier, and more aggressive. And then in 2018, Tudor released the Black Bay 58. And unlike the dive watches before it, the Tudor Black Bay 58 feels somewhat restrained. The proportions, the matte textures, the gilt accents, and the vintage styling. At 39mm, it feels closer to the original tool watches that had inspired it. I think the Black Bay 58 delivered exactly what enthusiasts wanted. A 39mm case inspired by vintage Tudor divers, 200 meters of water resistance, a COSC certified in-house movement, 70 hours of power reserve, and snowflake hands borrowed from Tudor's military-issued watches of the 1960s. With no date, no unnecessary complications, just a clean, purpose-built tool watch. To me, what makes watches like this interesting isn't really the specifications, it's the idea behind them. Mechanical watches are one of the few objects left that are still built with the expectation that they'll outlive their original owner. Not upgraded, not replaced, but passed down. This specific watch entered my life at an important time. Not because I needed a watch, but because I wanted something permanent. Something that could quietly exist through the years of my life, collecting wear, memories, and stories along the way. And maybe one day mean something to somebody else. And that's what makes objects like this different. The value isn't just in the materials or the mechanics, it's in the moments that they represent. The Tudor Black Bay 58, Vault Entry Number 3.